Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Yesterday, the very heavy rainfall was recorded over the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and some parts of the northeast India, Uttarakhand and Madhya Maharashtra, which are given in the orange color, and heavy rainfall recorded over the Gangetic West Bengal, East Madhya Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh and West Rajasthan, which are given in the yellow color. Yesterday, maximum 17 centimeter rainfall was recorded over the Chhattisgarh, maximum 11 centimeter rainfall was recorded over the East Madhya Pradesh, and maximum 18 centimeter rainfall was recorded in Nainital over the Uttarakhand. And if we look for the today's highlight, then today we have a low pressure area which lies over the Jharkhand, and this low pressure area very likely to move nearly west northwestward during next 24 hours. So because of that, mainly the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha very likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall activity on today. And however, the Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Sikkim area very likely to experience very heavy rainfall activity on 21st and 22nd of September. However, Northeast India will experience very heavy rainfall activity till 23rd of September. Thereafter, the rainfall activity will decrease from all those regions, and as far as the northwest and adjoining West Central India is concerned, there will be no significant weather in the upcoming 5 days, and even the reduced rainfall activity will continue over the northwest India and adjoining West Central India, and the conditions for the withdrawal of southwest monsoon from the some parts of the West Rajasthan are becoming favorable, are likely to basically develop towards the end of the forecast period. And today and tomorrow on 21st and 22nd of September, mainly the central India, particularly the East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh also may experience the lightning activity. And if we look for the today's chief synoptic features, so today the low pressure area lies over the Jharkhand. Monsoon trough runs south of its normal position, and a trough also runs from this Jharkhand up to the southwest Uttar Pradesh in the lower tropospheric levels. Over the Comorian area, a cyclonic circulation has formed today, and the steady circulation over the Kutch has moved over the South Pakistan today. And because of this synoptic feature, so today mainly the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Bihar and Jharkhand area, which are given in the orange color, very likely to experience very heavy rainfall activity at one or two places, and light or moderate rainfall activity will be experienced over the many parts of all those regions. And even the Sikkim and Assam, Meghalaya will also experience very heavy rainfall. However, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, East Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and some parts of the Maharashtra, which are given in the yellow color, is likely to receive heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. So we have issued the orange alert for the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Bihar, Jharkhand and Assam and Meghalaya and Sikkim area for today. Tomorrow, the rainfall activity mainly will confined over the central India. So the Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Sikkim area and Assam and Meghalaya very likely to experience very heavy rainfall activity at one or two places, and moderate rainfall activity will continue over the most parts of all those regions. So we have issued the orange color, orange alert for all those regions. However, the Odisha, GW, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, East Uttar Pradesh, interior Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala will likely to receive the heavy rainfall activity, which are given in the yellow color. And on 23rd of September, this low pressure area will become the less marked. However, the cyclonic circulation will be seen over the North Chhattisgarh and adjoining areas. So because of that, mainly the North Chhattisgarh, Northeast Madhya Pradesh and South Bihar likely to receive heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. However, the Northeast India will continue to receive heavy rainfall on 23rd of September also. But the rainfall activity will decrease over the Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal and Jharkhand area from 23rd of September. Remaining parts of the country, which are given in the green color, will not experience any severe weather. Only light rainfall activity at one or two places will be experienced. And on 24th of September, only coastal areas of the Maharashtra and some parts of the northeast India, which are given in the yellow color, will receive the heavy rainfall. All the remaining areas of the country will receive the only light or moderate rainfall activity at one or two places, so we have, which are shown in the green color. However, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands will receive the heavy rainfall on 24th of September, and similarly on 25th of September only Arunachal Pradesh, coastal areas of the Maharashtra and some parts of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands will receive the heavy rainfall activity one or two places, which are given in the yellow color. Remaining parts of the country, which can be seen in the green color, will receive only light rainfall activity at one or two places. And as far as the West Rajasthan is concerned, most parts of the West Rajasthan except one or two districts will likely to be dry in the upcoming 5 days, and even the Himachal Pradesh and Haryana and Punjab may also be dry on 24th and 25th of September. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, YouTube channel and our Twitter page. Thank you.